Today we're diving into a conversation that, honestly, I believe matters more now than ever. We're living in a world where artificial intelligence can write your emails, design your logo, compose symphonies, and even diagnose diseases faster than most doctors. It can predict what you want before you ask, can talk to you in your language, in your tone, and even mirror your quirks. But here's the thing. For all its brilliance, AI will never be human. And there are certain skills, certain qualities, that no machine, no matter how advanced, will ever fully replicate. It's not because of processing power, not because of coding limits, but because some things belong exclusively to being human. So, today, I want to walk you through those human skills that AI will never replace, and why they matter more than ever. First up, emotional intelligence. Now, AI can recognize emotions, can analyze your voice, your text, maybe even your facial expression, and guess how you're feeling. But it doesn't feel. It's not grieving the loss of a parent. It's not falling in love. It's not battling with loneliness at 2 a.m. Real empathy isn't a programmed response. It's lived experience. When you hold a friend who's breaking down, there's a language that doesn't need words. That's human, and AI will never own it. Next, moral judgment. AI can flag harmful content, can follow ethics guidelines written by committees, but it has no conscience. It's no gut instinct when the rules conflict. Humans face real moral dilemmas. Should I tell a painful truth or protect someone's peace? Should I take a risk to help a stranger? These aren't logic problems. They're moments that demand heart, not hardware. And then there's creativity. Sure, AI can write poems, generate artwork, even produce film scores, but those creations are built from data, not from heartbreak, not from joy, not from staring at a sunrise you didn't expect to survive to see. Great art is born from scars and memory, not algorithms. Number 4, leadership. AI can manage a schedule. It can optimize a workflow. But it can't rally a team when morale is crumbling. It won't inspire loyalty through sacrifice. And it certainly won't stand in front of you when the bullets start flying. Authentic leadership is built on trust, courage, and presence. You can't code that. Number 5, human touch. AI can send you a comforting message, maybe even say the right words, but it can't hold your hand. It can't give you that kind of quiet physical reassurance that says, I'm here, you're not alone. And sometimes, that's all a person needs. Number 6, cultural intuition. AI struggles with context. It doesn't truly get sarcasm or irony, or the unspoken tension in a family dinner when certain topics are off limits. It doesn't read a room. Humans do, instinctively. Number 7, existential reflection. AI can quote philosophy, summarize religions, predict human behavior. But it's not lying awake at night wondering, why am I here? What happens when I die? What does it mean to live well? Those questions aren't glitches in our system. They are the system. Number 8, gut decision-making in chaos. When you have seconds to act, no data, and everything's uncertain, a human will rely on gut instinct, on fear, courage, memory, and it will be messy and imperfect and sometimes miraculous. AI, no matter how predictive, struggles with true ambiguity. Number 9, resilience through suffering. AI doesn't grieve, doesn't get knocked down and claw its way back. Humans endure loss, heartbreak, defeat, and we carry those scars and we grow. Sometimes we use that pain to lift others, and finally, love, faith, and hope. AI can describe them, but it will never hold a dying child and whisper, I love you. It will never pray in desperation. It will never cling to hope when all logic says to give up. Those things, they're ours, and they always will be. So yeah, AI will write faster, calculate smarter, and work harder than us in 1,000 areas. But it'll never be us. And in a world obsessed with efficiency, don't forget, the most irreplaceable, the most priceless things are the most human. That's where our value is, and that's where it always will be.